Why do some people walk into a room and instantly get attention, while others get ignored, talked over, or treated like they don't matter? It's not luck, it's not looks, and it's definitely not money. It's psychology. And in the next few minutes, you're about to learn the exact psychological behaviors that make people respect you instantly, without forcing it, begging for approval, or pretending to be someone you're not. Most people think respect takes years to build, but psychology says something different. People decide how much they respect you within the first few seconds of meeting you, before you even finish your first sentence, before you explain yourself, before you prove anything. They already made a judgment. And if you don't control that first impression, people automatically place you lower in their mind. But here's the good news. Respect is not something you ask for. It's something you signal. Trick 1. Speak less, but make every word hit. Weak people talk too much because they want validation. Powerful people don't feel the need to prove themselves. That's called the scarcity effect. The less available something is, the more valuable it feels. So stop over-explaining. Stop filling every silence. Stop trying to impress everyone. Pause before you speak. And when you finally talk, be clear, be calm, be direct. Because people listen more carefully to those who don't waste words. Trick 2. Use silence like a weapon. Most people are terrified of silence, and that's exactly why silence creates power. When someone interrupts you, panic. Don't rush to defend yourself. Just pause. Look at them calmly. Then continue speaking slowly. That tiny moment creates psychological pressure. It tells people, I'm not intimidated. Confident people don't compete for attention. They naturally control the energy in the room. And silence is one of the strongest ways to do it. Trick 3. Stop being too available. The more access people have to you, the less they value you. If you say yes to everything, reply instantly every time, and tolerate disrespect just to keep people happy, people slowly stop respecting you. Boundaries create value. Learn to say, not right now. I'm busy. I'm not okay with that. No anger, no guilt, no long explanation. Just calm confidence. Because the moment you respect your own time, people start respecting it too. Trick 4. Master calm body language. Before you even speak, your body already tells people how to treat you. Nervous movements signal insecurity. Fast talking signals anxiety. Avoiding eye contact signals weakness. But calm movements, that signals control. Stand straight. Maintain eye contact. Move slower. Take your time. Never look rushed. Because people associate calmness with power. Your presence should quietly say, I know my worth. Here's the truth nobody tells you. People don't respect you because you're nice. They respect you because you respect yourself first. The moment you stop chasing approval, you become harder to manipulate, harder to ignore, and impossible to underestimate. And suddenly, people start treating you differently. Not because you changed who you are, but because you changed the energy you bring into the room. If you want more powerful psychology and self-improvement content that changes the way people see you, subscribe now.